let's do a garden update. If I'm being honest, I haven't been on here as much because the garden's just been really a downer lately. All my flowers are dead. I'm out of like my peak tomato era. Some of my peppers were getting sun scald. Like, it's just the bugs are really like kicking my ass. It's just been one thing after another, I feel like, and so coming out here has not been super enjoyable. It's just a phase. I know all the gardeners are kind of struggling right now because it's, you know, July, August is really rough for everyone, but I do miss being out here. Let me give you kind of an overview of what we're working with. This is the garden. So starting with my peppers, we have a ton of jalapenos. I'm waiting for them to turn red and I'm going to dry them into chipotles. I need to trellis up my guajillos, but I cut off all the sun scald peppers, so we'll see how they start growing now. I just recently came out here and picked all my Chinese 5 peppers clean, so that's why they look pretty sparse right now, but we have a few on there. We're still getting some purple beauty bell peppers. We have one there, tiny one there, just a million serranos as usual. I did cut down my blackberry bush because it was just sprawling out like a pumpkin. I didn't know it was going to do that. It was just taking up a lot of room. That's a tomato that's fallen over. Don't mind that. My zinnias got attacked by army worms. I barely salvaged them, so you know, maybe those will do okay. This bed is doing okay. My tomatoes are doing fine. Again, was getting attacked by army worms. Pretty much everything, let me just save you some time. Everything in this garden was getting attacked by army worms severely. This is the state of my zucchini. It is growing. I just don't think it's gonna recover from how little sunlight it got in the beginning. So my one cucumber is finally taking off. I do have a baby cucumber right there, so I'm super happy about that. I have another tomato right here. This is the state of my Goldie Honey Bear. I'm sad showing that because she's not exactly in her prime, but those are my Velvet Queen sunflowers. I need to go harvest those few. She's still putting out some good ones. Boy, has my black cherry grown. We do have a few cherries there, one down here. Look, you can see an army worm there. They don't let me rest. You can tell all this damage, like there's supposed to be tomatoes all on here, and when all that's gone, look at that leaf, you can tell it's being eaten. These things will not leave me alone.